Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and for those of you who have been around for a minute, thank you for coming back for yet another video. Today we are gonna do my current beauty favorites, and I have a lot to go through, so I'm just gonna go through the products, tell you what they are, why I like them, and basically kind of go through the list because we have a lot to go through. If you've been around for a while, you know that I am a self-proclaimed product junkie. So I have a lot to go through because I try a lot of things, y'all, and sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But when they do, I just have to share it with you guys. So I'm just gonna keep it 100% real because of the times we're currently living. Times are tough, y'all. In order to stay safe, sanitized, and all of that, I have been reaching a lot lately for my Touchland Power Mist, and it is so nice. I love this stuff. Easy to carry around in my purse. I love the sprayer on it, and it smells nice and fresh. This is in the aloe vera one, and it is scented. I get these at Ulta. This is the Touchland Power Mist. Good stuff. And you can get them in like a variety of scents. This was a random. So we're gonna go into the skincare section of this video. The very first thing that I have on my list is something that I featured a while ago on my channel. I've not spoken much about it, but I use it so much and I just had to share this one. So this one is by Clinique. This is the Take the Day Off. Now this is just a cleansing balm. It changes from a balm to an oily formula. It definitely removes majority of my makeup. I love this stuff a lot. It works. This one is pretty big, so I know it's gonna last me a very long time. I believe that there is a smaller one if you do not want to invest in this one. This one is the 3.8 ounce. It's just a solid white balm and it works miracles. Even if this works really well, I still need to go around my eyes because I wear lashes, I wear eye makeup, so I still need to go in with an eye makeup cleanser or remover. This one is the Bi-Facil. This is the double action eye makeup remover. I've spoken about this on my empties. I've spoken about this on my channel many times before. This is probably, I would argue, one of the best eye makeup removers out in the market, and it is so good. I just love it. I cannot get enough of it. You put it on a cotton round, a cotton pad or something, you place it on your eye and it just magically removes just about everything. Again, this is the Bi-Facil double action eye makeup remover by Lancome. We're gonna keep it in the house of Lancome for a minute. So for cleansing and exfoliating, I use this Rose Sugar Scrub by Lancome, and this one is gentle exfoliating with sugar grains and rose water. I love the smell of it. The granules are gentle enough but still very effective. It has like a warming effect once it touches the skin, and you remove it with warm water, and it's pretty easy to use. And once I've used this scrub, I top it off with the rose jelly mask. Now this mask is unique because you can let it infuse overnight. I've spoken about this before. Rinse it off in the morning, follow your regular cleansing routine, and you're good to go. It's gentle enough that you can almost use it every day, honestly, but they recommend 2 to 3 times a week. And together these two are amazing and I love them so much. I recently showed this in my Lancome 2020 beauty box. This is the Advanced Genifique. This is a youth activating concentrate, basically a serum. After I cleanse and I tone, I typically go in with this. And this one is a new one to my collection. It came in the beauty box. This is the Genifique Yeux, the light pearl, and it's good for your under eye to remove puffiness. It also helps to stimulate the growth of your lashes. This is the Advanced Genifique. That's the youth concentrating serum, and this is the Genifique Yeux light pearl for the eyes specifically. So love these two together. Similar to the Advanced Genifique duo, I use 2 other similar products that I recently talked about in my blockbuster beauty box from Estee Lauder. This is the Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder, very similar to the Genifique. I have been using this one just a little bit more, but I use them interchangeably. We also have the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharge Complex. I go in with both of these. after cleansing and toning, the serum and the eye cream. I'm pretty big on eyes as far as using a night cream or an eye cream. And this one I really enjoy. Now I love the size that came in the beauty box. Like by itself, it's super expensive. So getting it in the beauty box was really a steal for me. And I use these, like I said, interchangeably with the Lancome ones. So you cleanse, you tone, you put your serums, and then I also go in with this Revitalizing Supreme Plus by Estee Lauder. I spoke about this also in the unboxing, and this is the Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. This is such an amazing moisturizer, and you can use it day and night. And I really enjoy this one because like my skin feels just really soft and plump and rejuvenated when I use it. The names get me every time, like I can't. I just can't. I review a lot of perfumes. You guys know this already. I've been enjoying this perfume. I am in love with it. It's one of my, if I had to do a top 5, I would say it's in my top 5 for sure. I'm talking about Angel Muse by Mugler. I blind bought this without knowing what it smelled like. It is a beautiful fragrance. It's gourmand, it is warm, it is sexy, it lasts all day. I cannot get enough of this. I get so many compliments when I wear this. Love Angel Muse. I'm so excited to kind of like try other perfumes from Mugler because with the way I like this one, I'm pretty sure that I would like others from the line. I have tried the Eau Croisière, I believe. I'll put an image right here. I love it so much. It is amazing. It has a little bit of this DNA, but I really like that one too. So I think the next one I might get is the Eau Croisière. This is Angel Muse by Mugler. You guys need to get your sample of this. Try this out. I honestly think you will not regret it. It's so beautiful. Now we're gonna go into some makeup. I will go through this one pretty quickly. So the very first one in the makeup section for this favorite edition is this clay stick by Tarte. I recently did the customized 7-piece set by Tarte. You guys saw me try it on. I am wearing it today. You just slide it on, it glides on beautifully. It looks amazing on my skin. I feel like it's a perfect match, and I have been enjoying this stick. I think that this is definitely worth the purchase because it's beautiful. I am in the shade Deep Honey, and I really like this one. I do like the packaging, so simplistic, so beautiful. Here for this. My favorite concealer would have to be the Shape Tape. I've used this a lot in the past, and this one, it just works. I am also wearing it on today. I feel like it just makes the under eye look nice and very, very much works for me. You guys know that Shape Tape is one of the most popular products from Tarte, and I know why it is because it works. It works really well. I love using it. I know that my finish, I'm gonna have an amazing finish, especially underneath the eye whenever I'm done with this one. So love these together. I also like the one that I chose in the customized beauty box, but I prefer the Tarte Shape Tape. The next item in the makeup section would have to be this Prep&Matte. This is a refreshing mattifying makeup primer by Lancome. Because of my oily skin, I tend to go for mattifying products, and this is one that I've used a lot. I've tried many primers, but I always go back to the Prep&Matte. It applies very well, it just works, and I do like it a lot. So Prep&Matte by Lancome. As far as palettes, I have 2 for you guys because they're just perfect together. So the first one as far as palettes go is the Morphe 8D Glam palette. Now I tried this out a while ago. So the reason I like this one, it just makes it the perfect face palette. I use the bronzer in the crease of my eye, and then it has a highlight which is very nice. I love the color scheme on that. It's perfect for deeper skin tones, and it works. And for the price you pay, it's a really perfect and compact palette. For the eyes, I've been using a lot of Morphe apparently. I typically go for the Morphe by James Charles palette. Why? Because it is so big. It has just about everything you could need to create a full look. Doesn't have a mirror, but it has all the colors in there. So you can go neutral, you can go super bright, you can go shimmery. You can create any eye look with this, and it's just so beautiful. Very versatile, I feel like. And I mean, warm tones, cool tones, all of it. So yeah, I'm reaching for these a lot these days, and I really do like it. And to set the whole face, I've been reaching a lot for my Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. I love this stuff. When I first started using it, I kind of struggled a little bit because I felt like it dried my under eye a little bit. But what I do differently now, as soon as I apply it, I kind of just press it in and wipe off the excess, and it works beautifully. I use it underneath my eye, all over my face. It is really a great powder. And to set my face, I have two setting sprays that I use most often. I have quite a few different types that I've tried in the past, but I've been using these a lot lately. This is the Continuous Setting Mist by Morphe. Now they have a limited edition. I believe this is the holiday packaging, but it typically comes in the black. It's the same formula, just a different packaging. So I love it. I love the mist on there. It is perfection. I love it so much. I've also been using the one by Tarte. This is the Stay Spray. It works just as well. The mist is just as good. It smells refreshing like cucumber and just really, really good. So I use this a lot, but if I had to choose one, I probably would go for the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, but I also really, really, really like this. So I'm not gonna choose, I'm just gonna say that these are the two I have been using the most lately. When I'm not rocking wigs and crochets, I definitely just go for my slick back. This is kind of like my signature look. After deep conditioning my hair and just taking it off from my crochet hairstyles, I love using this as my moisturizer for my hair because it is just, my hair just loves it. It feels nice and soft and moisturized. This is the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. It's so good for curly hair. I just love how it works on my hair. It leaves it nice and bouncy and just like easy to manage. So whenever I put this in my hair, it's no longer as like tough to comb through, and I just love how that works on my hair. So this is my final current favorite product, and I love it a lot. That is it for my current beauty favorites. I gave you a little bit of everything. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys use any of the products that I have mentioned today. I really try everything. I love using just about everything, and like I said, if it doesn't work, then I'll just move on to the next. But yeah, I like experimenting, like seeing how they work out for me. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.